One, back again with another one.
Listen to my voice, yo, it's B1. Welcome to the new year 2021. Back here again with another one. Back here again with another one.
You could never ever write this. Don't you ever try it? It's the best in the city, they can't even try deny this. How do you feel about this? Last year was a mad thing. You should go and listen. I just want some peace and I just want some loving. Feeling like my cousin, always giving love, but love is never given. But anywhere we move, we just keep on moving. Tryna find a balance, I'm just tryna make it even. Tryna make it fair, cause life is never fair. People never care, but they care when you die. They gon' remember me like, oh, he was fly. Anything can change, anything can change. Looking at me now, they can see me from a range. Fighting to be free, I'm just fighting for a change. Feeling like I'm empty, I gotta make a change. I got big dreams, I'm just tryna be on stage. If anyone got a problem, they can come and park me. She can get sticky and it can get ugly. Of course I'm gorgeous, ladies wanna f me. Always so cautious, always Jimmy's on me. Never trust a bitch, all about the mola and I'm all about the money. Grinding for me, but they think I'm tryna please them. Never gonna stop, cause I started for a reason. Started for a reason. Haters, they be hating. Trippy, they be trippy. Drippy, I say drippy. Every day I practice and every day I deep this. Last year was tough, last year was rough. Now we've had enough, but we keep on fighting cause we never giving up. Just like Tupac said, I gotta keep my head up. Even if I fall, I gotta keep my head up. Gotta keep on fighting, gotta keep on trying. I gotta keep on grinding, I gotta keep on grinding. Chiro zvakadi andivenda rekiza, chiro vakandivenga basa ndinopedza. Zero ndichitanga, hero ndichipedza. Richasvika zuva randichasumudza muriza. Chiro zvakadi ndivenda rekiza, chiro vakandivenga basa ndinopedza. Zero ndichitanga, hero ndichipedza. Used to be number 2, but now they can't beat me. They can never be me, they can never stop me. I can never even care if they don't rate me. They can never beat me, or rather if they hate me. Started all alone, I'ma finish on my jack. Studio on my own, every night a new track. Saying that I'm whack, I'm just tryna make my mark. I'm just tryna be the top dog, they gon' hit me back. 24/48, I put the work in. I gotta go to work, so I keep on working. Always on my grind, I keep on grinding. Money on my mind, so I'm always working hard. Thank you to the Lord, and I'm always praying hard. Amen, 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 amen.
I'm always praying hard. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord.
Yeah, amen.
To the Lord, yeah, I'm always praying hard. 2021, blessings.